When you open Daba, you will see a portal user interface. You can explore databases similar to any other graphical database client. I'm going to open data source, use a connection string, click schema to list the tables. And this sample data set is about stores selling music. You can explore the album table, artist table, or tracks and see the different columns. When you want to clear, you can click the X to remove individual values. We can also explore, for example, the data. So here's the list of artists, and there is also a simple pagination when there are too many results. You can also query the database directly by clicking the query button. Here we can issue queries. Let's list the genres. You can also count them to see there are 25 items in this dataset. So far you've seen basic use, but the interesting part comes from combining the workflow with REPL. Let's say I want to save some queries for later, so I'm going to tap strings, and they're shown as strings. I can choose a different viewer, and if I choose the query and then I'm going to execute it, to see that I have over 200 artists in the dataset. But often you want to write your queries in a SQL file, and you can store it in Git and share with your colleagues. So here we have we read the file and tap the results. You have some prepared queries, and we can execute the artists and aggregate it by the album count and see the most proficient ones. Another query is if we group aggregate by the length and see the distribution, but this is hard to read. The interesting part is we can read the data from the portal back, so we can select the value and then deref P to get the data in the REPL. And since portal also includes Vega Lite for visualization, we can visualize the distribution, and not surprisingly most of the songs are 3 or 4 minutes long. Another query is the employee title and their count, and we can also select the value and visualize it in a pie chart, for example. Leveraging the portal UI is great because it provides a lot of viewers, but sometimes the default stacking view may not be the most convenient. You've seen me that I have to remove the values and can become overwhelming. So as an alternative, Daba implements experimental docking layout. When you switch to dock, you can customize your layout, and so you can explore columns here, artists and genres, and this can switch the different tabs. This is much more similar to the usual traditional apps. To summarize, by combining generate data viewers and REPL, we can create composable workflows and combine convenience of graphical tools with the power of REPL. And we can create and support use cases even beyond imagination of traditional dashboarding and analytics vendors. You can check out source code and installation instructions on GitHub. Thanks and bye.